Ugh, Christmas is so boring.
I know, there's absolutely nothing to do.
Hey guys!
Hi!
God.
Where'd you come from?
I've been here the whole time, but that's not important. It sounds to me like you two need a little bit of holiday spirit, and I got just the thing. The Moonjig Film Festival!
I just remembered, I have to microwave my sweater.
I should probably go with her.
We don't need her, silly. In fact, all you need is a camera, a team of friends, and a $15 team entry fee.
Please don't hurt me.
I'm glad you asked. This year, you and your team of friends will have 72 hours to make between 3 and 6 movie trailers. The team that makes the best group of trailers wins the cash prize. Doesn't that sound fun?
Yes, so much fun. Can I go now?
No. Remember to bring your team to the Ruby Tuesdays entrance at the Arnett Mall at 6:45 p.m. on December 27th to register for the contest. We'll see you there.